So good morning to all. Our first experiment is temperature measurement using thermocouple and thermometer. Okay. So aim of this experiment is study the thermocouple calibration. Means thermocouple gives the reading. Readings are corrected or not. Means calibration of thermocouple with the help of mercury thermometer. Okay. This is thermocouple. Maintain at room temperature approximate 25 to 30 degree. Then this is mercury in thermometer. This is our observation table. Here original record and calculation means mercury thermometer reading degree Celsius. Consider room temperature as 30 degree. Okay. Also this thermocouple reading here maintain at 00. Then thermocouple initial temperature or starting temperature is same as room temperature 30 degree. Okay. Don't think that this is, don't take this table. Then potentiometer reading voltage. Here temperature and here voltage. At room temperature 30 degree Celsius, potentiometer reading gives 0.02. Okay. So all of you write down the heading or title of the experiment. Write down the title of the experiment. Temperature measurement using thermocouple, thermometer. Write down the title. Temperature measurement using thermocouple, thermometer. Next line. Aim to study the thermocouple calibration. Write down aim to study the thermocouple calibration. Okay. Then draw this table. Make 5 columns and 2 main rows. Under that, two sub rows. First, write down the original record. Then below calculation. Then first column mercury thermometer reading degree Celsius. Then potentiometer reading MV. Then thermocouple calculated temperature degree Celsius. Here or here write down in bracket room temperature. Mercury thermometer reading degree Celsius in bracket write down room temperature. Also here thermocouple calculated temperature in bracket write down room temperature. Then absolute error. Then absolute error. Okay. Then write down first room temperature consider as 30 degree Celsius. Room temperature consider as 30 degrees Celsius. Same here. Thermocouple calculated room temperature is also considered as 30 degree. Here reading will be thermocouple is temperature 0.00 means room temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and potentiometer reading at the 30 degrees Celsius potential thermocouple gives the potentiometer reading 0.2. Okay, here write down reading 0.2 means 0.2. Okay, this is the initial stage, starting stage means mercury thermometer reading means consider the room temperature here 30 degree. Okay, you have our aim of this experiment is calibration of thermocouple means this thermocouple gives the reading temperature measurement. This is accurate or correct or incorrect means calibration of thermocouple. You have to check the thermocouple is correct or not. So the next stage is switch on. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Water is heating. See. Experiment title is measurement of temperature using thermocouple and thermometer. And aim of experiment is calibration of thermocouple with the help of mercury in thermometer. Okay, enough. Then switch off the supply. Then check the temperature of water. very low temperature is detected. That's why again heating the water. This is enough. Then temperature of here, write down the temperature. Mercury thermometer reading is 64. Here write down 64. 64 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then thermocouple reading set at 00. Then thermocouple probe is inserted. Then here see the thermocouple reading 39 or 40 degrees Celsius. Then write here 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. जो भी एक्चुअल आ रहा है वही राइट करेंगे हम, बाद में देखेंगे क्या होता है. ओके. 40 degree Celsius. In that potentiometer, you have to take potentiometer reading 2.3. Okay. 2.3 here. Here write down 0.2 and 2.3. 0.2 first. Room temperature 30 degrees Celsius and potentiometer reading is 2.3. Okay. This is our first reading. Then you have to find the gap or error. You have to find out the error of this temperature measuring instrument. Here 64 degree mercury thermometer display the temperature is 64 degrees Celsius and thermocouple is display the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Means 64 minus 40 degrees, 24 degrees Celsius is the error. This error due to the also consider as an environmental error and time consuming You have to put in the this probe is without in that proper time. Also thermometer uh, placed in within time, consider error means 64 or 40 degree. In that minimum 10 degrees Celsius is error is occurred. Okay, then again one more, take one more reading. Water is boiling, and here check the temperature, this water. Here 00 reading will be there. Also thermocouple probe is used to measure the temperature. Here thermocouple display the 47 degree, 48, 49, around 50 degrees Celsius. Here 50 degrees Celsius. Checking the mercury thermometer reading. Here 59 degrees Celsius. Okay. And right here 59 degrees Celsius. Okay. Potentiometer reading 3.4. 3.4, and here 50 degrees Celsius. Okay. So mercury thermometer reading is 59 degrees Celsius. This reading. Potentiometer reading is 3.4. Here 3.4. 3.4. Then thermocouple calculated reading is means here temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. Here okay, 50 degrees Celsius. Okay. So difference error 59 minus 50 degrees equal to 9 degrees Celsius. Here 9 degrees Celsius. Error will be the 9 degrees Celsius. Then you have to take repetitions of reading, number of 3, 4, 5 readings, and calculate the error, absolute error. This error display the reading as thermometer, mercury thermometer and thermocouple. This thermocouple gives the 9 to 10 degree deflection or error to find out the temperature measurement. Okay? Any doubt? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? समजलं का? Anyone please reply. Anyone please reply. सुदर्शन माळी, यश गाडेकर, योगेश चव्हाण, प्रज्वल,
Yes, sir.
are you understand?
Yes, sir. Understanding.
Okay. So this is our experiment number one, temperature measurement using thermocouple and thermometer. Aim of this experiment is calibration of thermocouple. Means you have to calibrate the thermocouple given reading is correct or not. Okay. And all of you draw this observation table here. This is mercury thermometer reading in degree Celsius. First consider as room temperature as 30 degrees Celsius. Also thermocouple calculated room temperature as 30 degrees Celsius. Then potentiometer reading is 0.2 MV. Then after some heating the water first temperature is considered as 64 degrees Celsius. Then 40 degrees Celsius gives 40 degrees Celsius gives the reading of thermocouple. Then difference is 24 degrees Celsius. Then again process is repeated. Water is heated. Take reading. Mercury in thermocouple is thermometer is 59 degrees Celsius. Potentiometer reading is 3.4. Then thermocouple temperature calculated is 50 degrees Celsius. Then absolute error is equal to 59 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius is 9 degrees Celsius. Okay. So thermocouple display the 9 degrees Celsius temperature in variation in actual temperature. Okay, this is the calibration process. Means our thermocouple displaying reading. This is correct or incorrect. Means calibration of thermocouple. Okay. So this is our first practical. So today stop here. Place your roll number and leave the meeting. Today, one more I place in our group, WhatsApp group, uh, MCQ test. This is MCQ test based on the chapter number second. Okay. Today I place one MCQ test. This MCQ test based on the chapter number second. This is useful for your ISC. So I request all of you to solve this test.